Welcome to another episode of our tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching us how to how to link how to link from one HTML element to the other. Yeah, that's the exciting part. A lot of us want to know how you click on a link that will take you to the next part. So this is it, and you're getting into it. Okay. So okay, let me just make use of this, and but what we need to do with this is okay. Now in the previous tutorial, I I sent some elements down. I marked them as a comment and I sent them down. So now what we'll do here is this. You copy out all of the elements there. You copy them out like Control X. You just cut them. So once you cut them out of the document, you cut them out, and so what you do is this. You go straight into you save this file, then you come here and you click new file. So you can name this one as heading.html. Then so you paste in the file you copy. Yeah, they are already commented out. So what you do is just remove the comment. So how do you remove the comment? This is one comment, you remove it. This is another, you remove it. Or better option, you just Control A and then press Control / again. It's going to remove the first one. So the second one too, you well, you can clean it up. Clean it up. I think the comment is gone now. Yeah, so even this, you want to remove this. Okay, so now when you save this file as headings.html, because that was when we talk about the heading. Now you go back to the index.html, and now we want to link from our index.html file to heading.html. So how do you do that? Let's say I want someone to click here to go to heading. So there's this special tag we use. It is called the A. It is the A element. The A element is what make hypertext possible, like linking from one place to the other is what makes it very possible. So now what we do here is this. We say the A, it is as easy as that, and it has this attribute called the href. That is an attribute. In our next class, in our subsequent class, we talk about attributes. So this has href to it. Now the href takes in a value, and the value is taken in it. You want to know the file you want to link to. What file do you want to link to? So because we are in the same folder, we are in the same folder with our file. Like this is the web class folder, and we are inside the web class folder. We have the heading.html, we have the index.html. So since we have this in the same folder, we just link to it straight away. We have heading.html. That's because we are in the same folder with it. In some cases where we are in a subfolder to the web class, but we have to put the name of the subfolder. Maybe the name of the first subfolder is test file, like test. You have it this way: test /html heading.html. But in our case, we are in the same folder with it. So this is just what we need. And now we have uh, ahref heading.html. Now we can just write. We'll say go to heading. That is the text on it, right? So let me save this. Control S. Then I'm going back to our file. So when I reload this page, you see it says go to heading. So I want that to be on its own line. So I'll put a BR tag here to break the line. So once it's on its own heading, it's on its own line. Yeah, you see it becomes. I just love it this way. It's not like it's not going to work. It's going to work. But I just love it this way. So what would I have to do now? This is it. This is the link. So when I click on go to heading, it takes me straight to heading. Yeah, that is the magic. It takes me straight to heading. So let's make it a kind of thing where you can navigate front, like front and back. You can go to the front, you can go to the back. Now in this case, I'm just going to click on the browser's default back button. So I'll click back button. So it's A at the go to heading. So but now what I want to do is I want to go inside the heading itself and then have it inside the at the last paragraph. Like I want to put a tag here. So I want to have a and the href will be um, index.html, and I'll say go to home page. Now when I save this, now because this is not going to be on its own line, I want it to be on its own line, so I'm going to have a BR tag here, so that it's going to be on its own line, and then I'll save it and then go straight into the page. So when I reload this page, yeah, it's already there. So you click on go to heading. Now you are in heading. This is where we talk about heading. I will try to write some. We try to use some heading elements to do a number of things. So now I want to go back to home page. You just click on go to home page, and you're back to the home page. So it just makes you go 4 times back. So you have go to heading, go to home page, go to heading, go to home page, and this is just it. This is how you navigate from one page to the other in HTML. And yes, this is where the magic begins. This is where the entire magic starts. Now you want to build 4 million pages, like maybe you want to build hundreds of pages and you want to link them all together. This is how you do them. This is how you link from one page to the other. This is how you basically do them. Yes, there are some advanced technologies that do it the other way, but basically the fundamental is this is how you link them using the A tag. And as we continue this class, we use it more and more in creating some elements that even you will not want to miss it. So that's the end of this class. So in the next class, we'll be talking about how do you bring in images to your document. Wow, yeah, images. A lot of us will love the excitement that images bring into our designs. We like images, you want to get an image where there's leopard running or something. You want to get image where elephant is shouting or something. You just want to put your pictures there. Now how do you do that? That is where we're going to next. We are going straight into how you do all of this. So thank you. See you in the next class.